Hey everybody, we're Start With Heart, and we're outside. Usually we're in the studio. Hey Puey, how's it going?
Good.
Like being outside?
Yeah, get some fresh air.
You need some fresh air. I know everyone seems to be locked in their home, but it's okay to go outside as long as you keep a proper distance from each other.
Proper distance?
Yeah. You know how far that's supposed to be, Puey?
A mile?
Not a mile. Do you know how far a mile is? You can't even see a mile. That means you would never see anybody.
How far should we be apart?
6.
Wait.
Do you know?
Wait.
What?
I have a question.
I got an answer.
Why should we be apart?
Because of this coronavirus, the COVID-19. You've heard about this thing.
Oh yeah, I heard about that on the news.
It's making people sick. I mean, we should always be safe about germs and stuff, but right now we need to be extra safe about germs. So they think that if we are 6 feet apart, I can't touch. Can you try to touch me? You can't, right? I can't touch you either because we're over 6 feet apart. But we can talk.
So that's a safe distance?
6 feet apart. Now, when you're at home with your family, it's okay to be close to your family because you're always together with your family. So be close with your family, but make sure you get outside and enjoy the air. Oh man, it's a beautiful day today.
Beautiful.
I want to make sure that we're 6 feet apart.
How do we do that?
We got a tape measure.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Here
it
we go.
is. That's 1 foot.
1 foot.
2 foot.
2.
3.
3.
4. 5.
5.
Uh-oh. Here, grab it in your mouth. Hey,
Wait a minute.
grab it.
Wait, that's
What?
not healthy.
Okay, but it's 6 feet. That's about 6 feet there.
Okay.
Okay, I think. Okay, well, you get the point.
Yeah, that's
That
about 6 feet.
6 feet is about as tall as me. Yeah. And if your dad spreads his arms apart, that's about 6 feet. Does it have to be exactly 6 feet?
How about 6 feet and 1 inch?
That's perfectly fine. It's an estimate. Pretty big word. Have you ever heard that word before?
Estimate means what?
It means it's close. You think it's about right.
Oh.
Like, let's see, what's a good estimate? I know. Estimate how much I weigh.
1,000 pounds. Ah,
I do not weigh 1,000
okay,
pounds.
500.
No, half that and some more. Anyway, and how much do you weigh? Estimate.
1,000 pounds.
You think you weigh more than me. That's not a good estimate.
I'm
You
a
weigh
kid.
much less than me because you're much smaller than me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
We're here at a reservoir.
A what?
A reservoir.
A reservoir.
Yes, and that's great because you're saying it with a French accent.
Oui.
And
Hey, what's a reservoir?
a reservoir, it's a French word that means reserving tank. Reserve tank, it's where we store the water until we need it.
Oh.
So we keep the water right there until we need it, and then they clean it. Oh, you know where you have a reserving tank? A reservoir? The back of your toilet.
Wow.
Yeah, that's called a reservoir.
That's a reservoir too?
You keep the water there until you need it to flush.
Where does this water go?
This water goes to a plant and they clean it. It's a water...
Plant? You mean like these plants here?
No. It's a water treatment facility. A plant is another word for a big building, like a factory, and but this place cleans the water.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much?
They clean it a lot. They put it through filter after filter after filter, and it's crystal clear, perfectly great for drinking. The water you get in your faucet has been moving, and microbes don't grow in it as fast, and that's why it can be very much cleaner than this bottle of water here. And guess which one's more expensive?
The bottled water.
It's a lot more expensive. This cost a lot of money, but the stuff out of your faucet, less than a penny a gallon.
A penny a gallon?
Less.
I'm gonna go drink a lot of water, whole gallon.
Drink lots of water. It keeps you healthy.
Awesome.
Reservoir.
Wait. Hey,
Yeah?
Obediah,
Yeah.
can I tell you a secret?
Tell me a secret.
It's a secret.
Okay, I won't tell anybody.
I can't tell you. It's because it's a secret.
No, you can tell me. We're
okay.
friends.
Okay, here it is.
We're pals.
Hey, here it is.
Okay.
I'm a little scared.
You're scared?
You know all that news that I see on TV
Yeah, the news is everywhere.
about the virus?
It's a virus, yeah. It sounds very scary. But the thing is, if you make the right choices and listen to the people around you, like if you listen to me and listen to what the news is saying and we follow the right rules, like keeping 6 feet apart from each other,
Oh, yeah.
I think we're going to be okay. I really do. And here's the great news. This doesn't last forever.
Oh, really?
This is going to be over.
Oh, good.
1 month, 2 months, but sometime it's going to be over. And we're going to go back to normal.
I'll go back to school.
What are you looking forward to going back to?
School.
School? Yeah.
Yeah.
Going to
Soccer.
class. Soccer.
Yeah.
Playing games with your friends.
Movie theater.
Oh, yeah.
Restaurant.
I want to go to a restaurant and eat some food and get
Yeah.
some hot dogs.
That'd be fun.
Corn dogs.
Can we go tomorrow?
No, we can't go tomorrow.
Oh.
Maybe not next week, but soon. So, hey guys, great talking to you, but you know what? Puey and I are going to go on a hike. You know
All
what?
right.
Yeah, come along with us.
A hike.
Be fun. And that's a way to make this a good day.
Hike.
Oh, right. 6 feet.
Be safe.